Hello, a simple machine learning project using Python. Predicating Google stock price using linear regression by S. Ravishankar, Assistant Professor, EC Department, KLN College of Engineering, Madurai. Linear regression performs the task to predict a dependent variable y based on a given independent variable x. So, this regression technique find out a linear relationship between x input and y output. Hence, the name is linear regression. In statistics, linear regression is an approach for modeling the relationship between scalar dependent variable y and one or more independent variable denoted x. The case of independent variable is called simple linear regression. For more than one independent variable, the process is called multiple linear regression. So in our implementation, x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable as its value is dependent on x. Now let us implement simple linear regression using Python to understand the real life application of the method. So we taken 26 a day of stock market point. Day 1 750.46, day 2 784.5, day 3 7702.22, up to 26th day 708.58. So we are predicate the 29th day of the stock marketing point. Hence the above data set we have the price at which the Google stock opened from the February 1 to 26. Using the data, we will try to predicate the price at which the stock will open on February 29. We will be using the scikit-learn, CSV, NumPy and Matplotlib library package to implement and visualize the simple linear regression. So first let's import the above module. Import CSV, import NumPy as NP. From scikit-learn import linear model, import matplotlib library dot pyplot as plot. So CSV model is used to read data from file google.csv. NumPy is used for array processing and conversion. Scikit-learn is used to implement the linear regression, and matplotlib library is used to plot the data point on the graph. So each and every line should used for the project. So CSV is used to read data from the file. You are get the data from the file, and NumPy is used for array processing and conversion. So you are convert the process. Next, scikit-learn is used to implement the linear regression. Regression process is the main heart of the project process, dependent and independent variable. And matplotlib library is used to plot the data. So this is the plot the output. So we are using matplotlib library dot pyplot is used for the plot the graph. So this is the next coding of. Let's define the method to read the data. So data price get data with open file and CSV file reader. Next, then for row in CSV file reader, dates and price, then return. This is also the simple code. The fit method fit the data and price x, y to generate the coefficient and constant for the regression. Finally, the predict the method find the price for the given date and return the predicated price, the coefficient and constant of the relationship equation. To understand the concept of regression better, we can use matplotlib library Python module to plot the data point and relationship formed between them. This is the simple code for the relationship between the independent and dependent variable of the linear regression. So we are take the date and price and stock point. So finally you will get the plot. The plot and graph of data points in yellow dot are called data points, and a relationship between the data price and the date for the blue line. This is the regression. So we find out the predicate of the next point. So the yellow dot in the above plot show the data point plotted in each date and price, the initial data set. The blue line is the equation formed by the fit method of the linear model. See the predicate price method and above. So now when we input the data February 29 to the regression model, it just use the equation of the blue straight line in the above plot and find the corresponding value on y-axis. So the above program is given below the output. So date 1 to 26 and day 1 to 26 data set point. The stock open price for 29th February is 680.925520.298. The regression coefficient is 728.93. The relationship equation between the date and price is 728.93. See the last line of the output. They show the equation of the blue line formed the plot. I hope you have got the concept of linear regression now. Thank you.